Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, we will look at the tools needed to navigate around your 3D views. Let's begin. (3D) navigation. In the previous chapter, we looked at the tools needed to navigate around your 2D views. In this chapter, we are going to explore the tools for the 3D navigation. These tools are only available for 3D views, such as isometrics views, perspectives views, etc. In the top right-hand corner of your 3D views, you will notice the view cube. It allows you to quickly rotate your project to a number of predefined angles. If you have your cursor close to the view cube, a small house icon will appear. Clicking this house icon will always rotate your model back to the default isometric setting. Okay. Let's look at the view cube in more detail. You will note that T faces are named top, front, right, left, etc. If you click on any of these names, your model will instantly rotate to the corresponding orientation. For example, clicking on the top face will rotate your 3D model like a plan view. Clicking on the front face of the view cube will rotate your model so that it appears as an elevation. The steering wheels. Similar to the steering wheels we saw in the 2D navigation tools, 3D views have their own set of steering wheels. Using the full navigation wheel, we have the ability to orbit, zoom, pan, walk and look around our model. If you feel comfortable using this tool for the 3D navigation, I recommend you to use the option, Full Navigation Wheel. Let's now take a look at some of the functions contained within the steering wheels. Orbit allows you to spin your model in any direction. Simply hover over Orbit on the steering wheel, click and hold your mouse button down and then move your mouse to adjust your model's orientation. Use the Look tool to rotate the current view vertically and horizontally. With the Walk tool, you can navigate through a model as if you were walking through it. Once you start the Walk tool, this center circle icon is displayed near the center of the view and the cursor changes to display a series of arrows. To walk through the model, you drag in the direction in which you want to move. It only works on perspectives views. Orbit tool. By far, the easiest way to visualize your model in the 3D view. It also can be activated by using a combination of the Shift key and holding down the scroll wheel on your mouse. Then move your mouse left and right and up and down. This will orbit your model in any direction. Orbiting around an element. Sometimes when orbiting your model, it is quite easy to lose track of exactly where you are. This is because the center of rotation of the orbit isn't necessarily where you think it is. You can relocate the center of rotation by using the Center tool on the steering wheel. There is a more effective and easy way to orbit around a specific object. Just select the object before you start orbiting the model.